narinig yan isa. Hello, hello, hello mga pagong. Welcome to episode 8 of season 3. We're now on episode 8 now. We've been talking about work. Alam mo, Ise, some of my friends told me that they enjoyed this season kasi we
Talaga?
started talking about work.
Work,
Iba
yes.
talaga, iba talaga pag work, no? Nakaka-relate halos lahat.
Iba talaga ang impact ng work sa buhay natin.
Aba, parang 8 hours a day ba naman?
Sa
Or
iba,
10 hours a day.
oh my
Mag-OT
God.
ka pa.
OT ka pa. Lately, ako nga
Diba?
minsan 10 hours, 11 hours. Grabe. Hours.
Grabe, ang toxic naman yan, 11
Ay,
hours.
grabe ka. Minsan lang naman yun. May nap
Oh.
naman sa gitna.
Ang nap ay mga 2 hours.
Uy, hindi.
4
Anyway,
hours.
hindi yan ng toxic ba yung napping? Toxic Filipino
Hindi
ba?
naman eh, we
Hindi
all need
naman.
napping. Oo.
Yeah.
Ako din, nagna-nap din ako for 1 hour.
Oh, 'di ba?
Anyway,
Because napping is useful for your recovery.
right, that's right. Oh, talaga ginustify natin, no?
Hindi siya
Okay,
toxic
anyway,
dahil ibang mga toxic na mga Filipino work traits natin. And yun ang
that's right,
pag-uusapan
that's
natin
right.
today.
Oo. So, meron kaming tatlong toxic traits that we want to talk about na
Yes.
alam mo, when we were really preparing this earlier,
Mm.
feeling ko like wala na siya. Pero
Mm.
nag-pre-briefing na tayo.
Oh,
Nag-pre-briefing na tayo. Parang, oo nga, no? Hindi talaga natin mapapakawalan yung mga traits na to dahil the times are changing. It's really ingrained in
yes.
our culture.
Ingrained, correct. That's the word.
Tama.
It's ingrained. So for sure, narinig niyo na to. We'll talk about crab mentality. We'll talk about bawal mga tuwiran or not allowed in
Mm.
and out. And then the third one is Filipino time. Okay, let's start with crab mentality. Fonzie, ano ba yung crab mentality? Ano ba
Yun
to?
yung kumakain ka ng crab.
Crab? Tapos naging mental ka.
Naging mental ka kasi kumain ka ng crab. That's
Crab.
it. Okay, let's next topic.
Crab
So,
is
crab
Ano nga sa
mentality.
Tagalog yung crab?
Alimango.
Alimango. Okay.
Alimango. Pag-iisip ng alimango. Pero 'di ba in biology, 'di ba,
Ah,
parang naghihilahan sila yung
yes.
crab. So that is the
Oo.
same thing with crab
Crab
mentality. When you're
mentality.
trying to pull down other people
Oo.
who's rising up above or something. And
Yeah.
it's a very very common trait pa rin pala here in the Philippines. So when you actually said crab mentality na pag-usapan natin, nung una
Oh.
wala talaga ako naisip kasi akala ko like progressive na tayo. Lalo na
Oh.
here in Metro Manila, parang empathy is being a thing,
Mm.
individualism is being a thing, ganyan. You do you, yung mga
Inclusivity.
ganon.
Yeah.
Pero like, pag nag-sit down ka with friends or nag-sit down ka
Mm.
with work, parang chichismis pa rin about other people and
Oo.
parang yung downfall ng ibang tao. Ako, I'm really guilty of it na parang yung downfall ng mga kinaiinisan ko sa work, parang, I love it,
Do you think
ganyan.
you have this trait, yung crab mentality at some point? Kakasabi mo lang na guilty ka.
I think so. I mean, if I'm gonna go by the book, na
Mm-mm.
of crab mentality, which is just pulling down other people's achievements. So wala tong prejudice na
Mm-mm.
masama yung tao or
Ah.
nangihila yung tao. Paano you cannot just celebrate other people's success for what it is,
Ah.
ganyan. So
Mm.
parang ang saya pag nagkaroon ng downfall sa kanila, parang okay, may
Yeah.
justice or pag-avenge. So nagigilty ako sa part na hindi ko kayang i-celebrate yung success ng iba
Mm.
pag masama silang tao or masama
Pag
yung
masama
ginawa
silang
nila.
tao, kapag may masama silang
Oo.
ginawa, at least,
Oo.
justified. So, so itong mga list na to ng toxic traits, nakuha natin sa Wacky Travel. Sabi sa wackytravel.com, yung crab mentality, yung sample manifestation na is when someone is more successful than you begin to spread rumors about that person to dim their light. So, do you think yung crab mentality, ano siya, parang related siya sa pagiging marites and sa insecurity ng mga tao sa workplace? Kaya there's crab
Yes.
mentality, no? Kaya may crab mentality kasi may inggit. Pero yung sabi mo na hindi mo kayang i-celebrate yung success ng masamang tao. Inggit ba yon? Hindi naman siya inggit, di ba?
Ano feeling ko revenge yun. Oo nga no. Oo nga no.
Ah,
Feeling ko
Okay,
it's more
okay.
of my rebel, vengeful spirit of
Ah,
kasi parang 'di ba parang bakit yung masamang tao they can rise above like
correct.
the good people can just will just stay here being
Oh,
oppressed or abused by the
mhm.
system ganyan. Tas sila they just play by the system and they rise. Pero like
Oo.
yung sinabi mo na parang ano nga sinabi mo na parang they spread
Insecure, they
rumors.
spread
Secure.
rumors kasi to dim that person's light.
Ang
So,
daming ganyan. Like,
for
'di ba,
sure.
marami akong naalala sa work ko, previously dun sa work ko na
Mm,
parang, if someone succeeds dun sa,
mm.
I'm not gonna say which organization, but if
Oo.
someone succeeds, like, does something really well, ang linyahan nila will be like, sus, ganto naman yan, sip-sip naman yan kay
Ay,
ganto,
oo.
kaya yan
Oh
go.
my God, yung sip-sip naman
What the fuck?
yan. Oo.
Huh?
O kaya, ay, may backer naman yan. Uy, may kamag-anak naman
Right?
yan. Yung parang ini-invalidate nila yung skills nung isang tao
Mm.
kapag nagsasucceed, 'di ba? Well,
Right,
minsan
right.
gano'n naman, syempre nepotism based din sa previous
Mm.
episode natin, pero hindi lahat. Hindi naman lahat
Oh,
nepo babies eh. Yung iba talaga pinaghirapan nila kung nasan sila
right,
ngayon.
right. Yun nga, yung parang ang hirap i-wrap around na may mga ganito talagang tao na
Hmm.
actually may mga tao na nakabantay. Alam mo
Oo.
yun? At parang nainis ako na parang nakabantay sila sa every kilos mo. And I
Oo.
think napag-usapan na rin natin yung one manifestation ng crab mentality in our previous
Ah.
episode when we talked about yung nag-grant sa atin na huwag mo masyadong galingan kasi kami yung
Oo.
nape-pressure. That is
Oo.
actually one manifestation of crab mentality kasi
Tama.
bakit hindi ko gagalingan? I want to harness my full potential. Pero why are you
Correct.
trying to bring me down? Hindi ba
Yeah.
pwedeng lahat tayo tumaas? 'Di ba?
Oo.
Parang bakit? Wag mo kailangan hilahin. Why is that? Why where is that coming from? What
Mhm.
is the root of it? Is it because very limited ng tingin ng mga tao sa potential that they have?
Oo.
Parang that they have to limit other people's realizing their potential?
Mhm.
Why is it parang sobrang questionable ng ganung behavior?
Oh, actually, sa mga nakikinig, Fonzie and I, we're millennials. And feeling ko, talamak talaga yung crab mentality. Kasi naabutan pa natin yung mga boomers, marami pa rin Gen X sa mga companies. Hopefully, we don't know sa mga sa bagong generation, sa Gen Z, kung meron pa rin crab mentality. Because I know yung mga Gen Z, mas ma-celebrate sila ng wins ng iba. Mas may empowerment sa
Mm.
generation nila. Yun yung nakikita ko ha. Kasi yung sa
Mm.
atin, parang grabe yung pagka-competitive natin. Minsan yung
Yes.
pagka-competitive natin, hindi, nagiging toxic na siya. Yung pagiging
Mm.
competitive. Parang lumalabas yung pagka-insecure natin. Kaya may crab mentality din. Pero yung crab mentality kasi malalim yung history niya eh. For sure, ang lalim ng
Mm.
history niya. Pero hindi na natin yun pag-uusapan. But yes, we agree na meron pa rin crab mentality ngayon sa work.
Mm.
Feeling
Have
ko
you been a
hindi na
subject?
mawawala. Oo.
Paano?
Hindi naman talaga yung you want whenever what parang kahit anong gawin ko, they try to bring me down. Chismis, marites, ganun. Ganun lang. Eh,
Anong
syempre,
chismis?
yung
Ang kinalat nila?
parang pabibo ka masyado. Parang kaya ka na promote or kaya ganyan kasi masyado kang nagmamagaling. Yung nagmamagaling, parang may smart shaming na din na related sa crab mentality. Pero it's sad kapag pag may ganitong culture sa company mo. Kasi
Mm.
ang hirap din kapag yung work environment mo, ganito, toxic. Pero,
Right.
yeah, 'di ba? Toxic naman talaga yung crab mentality kasi pwede namang, pwede namang you cheer for one another. Pwede naman kapag may achievement ka, i-celebrate ka ng mga team members mo. Pwede naman yun. Pero I think
Mm.
ha, especially sa abroad, as an OFW, it takes time. Kasi minsan, pagpasok mo sa isang company, kailangan mo pang kuhanin yung loob nila. Tapos magkaka-crab mentality. Tapos pag nakuha mo na yung loob nila, tsaka pa lang nila isa-celebrate. So it's like a process. Hindi siya agad-agad. So I think it says so much about the culture din. So, pag may crab mentality culture sa company, kailangan mo talagang pagdaanan yung phase na yon. Na yes, pwede kang i-celebrate in the long run, pero in the beginning, kailangan mo talagang pagdaanan yung ano na yan, process na yan. But
Ah,
it's sad. Sad, di
alam mo,
ba?
may na-realize ako.
Ano?
So lately kasi I have this achievement in
Mm.
work na I was able to be a panelist dun sa one event
Mm-mm.
here in the Philippines. And I was so afraid to really talk about that achievement sa work. Kasi
Mm.
parang hearing your story and
Mm.
hearing all of these things about car mentality, parang naalala ko na I have these thoughts na maybe they are talking behind my back, saying that I don't deserve it. Maybe
Mm-mm.
they're saying na parang I just got it kasi gusto. Parang masyado akong aggressive, masyado akong
Oo,
pabibo,
masyado
ganyan.
ka
So lagi siyang,
nagmamagaling.
oo, na-overthink ko siya na I know it's not my deal or it's
Mm-mm.
really not of my business to think about what they think. Pero parang not that I've been directly a subject of crab mentality, pero
Mm-mm.
since it's in the culture nga, feeling ko nag-build na ako ng
Oo.
defenses. Like
Ah,
involuntarily nag-build na ako ng defenses in my life na ayoko i-celebrate yung wins ko in work or in even in university, hindi ko na talaga
mm.
sineselebrate yung mga wins ko kasi parang feeling ko pinag-uusapan nga ako ng ibang tao, they're spreading rumors about
Oo.
me. Ganyan. So parang it's
Ang
scary lang for
sad.
people. Or it's scary for people who just want to enjoy their lives and
Pero
who just
kasi,
want to
Fonzie,
achieve big
kung,
things.
yeah, sorry to cut, pero kung yung nasa environment mo kasi, they initiate to celebrate your wins, hindi mo mafe-feel yan, 'di ba?
Yun nga eh.
'Di
Yun nga
ba?
yung parang ang bad din sa akin kasi actually they're genuine about congratulating me. Pero alam mo yun, parang kaya
Ah.
dahil nga meron na akong biases sa life
Mm.
ko.
Dahil mga
Parang
previous
siguro na
experiences
yung
mo.
previous
Oo.
yung work culture na parang
Okay.
ay kala ko ba celebrate yung ano
Ang
pero parang dami niya namang
hirap.
sinasabi sa. So parang as people, yung mga tao na they just want to really achieve big things, when they
Mm-mm.
move from a very toxic environment to a healthy environment, hindi nila nasi-celebrate ng ayos yung mga
Oh
achievements
my
nila. It's because ang
God.
dami nilang guards. Parang,
Meron
oh
din
my
ako
God,
na-realize. Like,
what?
kasi nga, nung first time ko nag-work dito sa UAE, meron akong napasukan na school na hindi ko na in-name, na nabully din ako doon. So,
Okay.
so 'di ba nabully ako doon? So, in my mind, alam ko na every school na papasukan ko, ganito. Ganito yung may experience ko. So, meron na akong like you, like defenses, like nag-create na ako ng bubble na alam ko ganito yung mangyayari. Kasi ganito naman yung ugali ng mga OFWs eh. So, kailangan kong ingatan yung sarili ko na hindi na ako, ayoko maging vulnerable, ayoko masyado maging open, hindi.
Mm.
Hindi pwede kasi ayoko mangyaring nangyari sa akin noon. So parang may ganun ka din na parang kasi naisip natin yung past na mga
Yo.
experiences natin. And nag-iingat tayo
Oo.
ngayon. Sad.
Ang sad
No,
no, na parang,
sad. Pero ganun
parang
talaga.
kailangan ko pa siyang
Tao lang
isipin through
tayo.
your,
Tao
ha?
lang tayo.
Kaya nga eh,
Tao lang tayo.
we're nang na-hurt lang tayo or
Na-hurt tayo.
naging ano lang
Oo.
tayo ng and siguro ang challenge din sa atin is we can extend empathy dun sa mga tao na nararamdaman
Na
din
mga
to na if
bago. Like,
ever yung
yeah.
mga
So,
bago
correct.
we can genuinely celebrate their wins
Ako
parang
ganun.
okay
Ako ganun sa
ako
mga
I try to be
bago.
ganun.
Like, nag-reach out ako, mini-make sure ko na they're well supported kasi hindi ko yung nakuha before. Kasi nga, may crab mentality siguro. Who am I naman to like declare na may crab mentality dun sa place na yon. Pero, pag Pinoy kasi,
Naramdaman
consistent
mo
yan. Oo, pag Pinoy din kasi, parang, ay, it's a given, may crab mentality. Unless talagang yung Pinoy siguro, sa ibang bansa talaga siya lumaki or particular place or environment na positive. Hirap din kasi colonized din kasi tayo. So,
yun
ibang-iba
nga
talaga.
eh dun
Ibang-iba
nagmumula
talaga.
yun, no?
Oo.
Parang dahil colonized tayo, we have to win the favor of the people who are above, kaya maghihilahan talaga tayo pababa lahat so
Yeah.
that we could get more access. Anyway, yun nga yung history na sabi natin wag na natin masyadong pag-usapan. Pero yeah,
Yeah.
it has a history that we have to
Yeah. Mm.
kasi parang it's affecting also our culture or
Mm-mm.
our people in general kasi we have realized this or we could have harnessed our potential as a Filipino culture
Mm-mm.
for more things. Pero yun nga, crab mentality in politics, like yung nangyayari last
Lahat.
week about
Yeah.
the vice president ranting, parang those are manifestations of crab mentality that we could have already addressed. Kasi
Mm-mm.
the information is there. Everyone is suffering from this, not only us, but a million Filipinos are suffering dun sa trauma of crab mentality. So
Yeah.
sana nag-heal na tayo as a culture or mag-heal na tayo towards a more inclusive or a safer environment for everyone.
Correct.
Anyway,
Okay. Anyway, let's move on to the next trait, and it's bawal mga tuwiran. You're not
oh
allowed
my
to
God.
reason out. So basically, this is normally it's characterized normally by someone older, wherein the younger one is told not to reason out when being scolded. Oh my God. Hindi lang to sa workplace, sa bahay to.
I know,
Sa
lalo sa bahay.
magulang or sa mga kapatid. This may also happen at work, exhibited by those with longer seniority.
Mga
Ako,
tinan.
bunso ka eh, di ba? Bunso ka, Fonzie. So, I think madami kang masasabi about this. Pero I think ako personally, sa bahay not sa workplace muna. Kasi, most of the time, isa ako sa pinakabata sa work. Pero sa bahay, I think I have this toxic trait as a panganay. Like,
Ah,
like minsan parang kunyari, parang feeling ko ako yung tama forever. Feeling ko ako lagi yung magaling. Feeling ko ako yung dapat masunod. Kasi I'm the ate. And I have the ate card. So, meron akong apat na kapatid, di ba? Five kami. So, imagine, like, apat yon. Tapos, like, I practice my power. Kunyari may sinabi,
oh
hindi,
my
ganito
God
yan.
ka.
Kasi ganito. Oo,
Oh
ganon.
my God
No,
ka,
uy,
Ise.
pero kapag may sinasabi naman ako, yung mga kapatid ko, I listen naman. Pero at the end of the day, kung ano yung gusto ko yung masusunod.
Grabe ka. Oh my God.
Sama,
Ah,
huy,
trauma.
aminin nyo. Uy, pero hindi naman yung makakasama sa mga kapatid ko. Hindi naman ganun. So,
Right, right.
yan. I think I have this, pero hindi naman kasi kami yung magkakapatid na nag-aaway or
Mm.
nagkakangan ng pangangatwiran. Pero, dahil nga, panganay ako, parang meron akong power over them. And they
Mm.
respect me for that. So, hindi ko na-realize na, shocks, baka toxic nga yun.
I
Could
won't say.
be.
I won't
Could
say.
be. It could be. So, sa mga kapatid ko dyan na nakikinig,
Sorry.
I am
I'm
sorry.
sorry,
Sorry.
no.
I'm so sorry sa mga nasaktan ko. I feel so naked, Char.
Oh. I'm so sorry sa mga nasaktan ko. Ganyan si Amin ni Maris, di ba? Oh.
Oo. Sorry sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin in the last 10 years.
Girl, sa ulo mo. I'm so impressed.
Anyway,
Ah,
go.
for me, yeah, you're right, you're right. Siguro kaya nakadevelop ako ng personality or behavior na I have to really speak up for myself.
Oh.
Kasi nga, hindi ako napapakinggan.
Kasi
Gets
bunso
ba? Na
ka.
parang,
Kasi
oo,
bunso
other
ka.
people are dictating what I need to do.
In your
Eh,
family.
meron ako
Mm.
in my family, like
Okay.
everyone in my family is telling me what I need to do. So
Oh.
parang this is a very sensitive topic for me kasi lahat ng decisions ko in the past is really dictated by mag-engineering ka kasi ito yung ano. Basta ang dami yung sinasabi, mag-quit ka
Kaya
na sa
pala,
Advo kasi
kaya
ganito,
ka pala
ganyan. Kasi,
napagano'n sa akin Kasi ako yung isa.
ah, oh, ako yung subject of ako yung
Oo.
na trauma
Na
dun sa partner.
trauma.
Pero like
Okay.
it's naman I know that they're coming from the right place.
Mm-mm.
I know they're coming from from place of concern. Pero like for me nung time na yun, I just needed them to consider what I need to say kasi this is my life.
Mm.
Feeling ko kasi ingrained na rin sa personality ko na hindi lang to for all the bunsos pero
Mm.
like specifically for me na I want a specific kind of independence over my life. Like
Mm.
I need to control my life kasi this is my life ganun. Eh, hindi ko yung na-receive like for like half of my or like
More than
until
half of your
working.
life, you mean,
More
yeah.
than half of my life, yeah. So parang, yeah, traumatic, medyo traumatic siya for me. So parang
Mm,
nag-develop din ako ng defenses for that na I have to be heard. I really have to be heard kasi like all my life I was never heard. So
mm.
na-appreciate ko nga na nagle-listen ka sa mga kapatid mo eh. Kasi
Oo.
I don't remember a moment na kasi parang dinidismiss ako lagi eh na
Ah,
pag meron akong sinasabi na you don't know what you're saying or
ah,
ang
ako,
tanga-tanga mo, ganyan.
ako
Parang, oh my God,
naman,
what's that?
oh, ako naman, hindi naman ako ganyan sa mga kapatid ko, especially kay Ian and kay Dan, kasi sa apat, silang dalawa talaga yung laging kachikahan ko. Pero,
Mm,
ang natutunan ko sa mga kapatid ko, especially dun sa dalawa, ay, yeah, I have to listen to them and trust them na matanda na rin sila and alam na nila yung ginagawa nila. Parang yun yung, nung
mm,
nakasama ko sila lately, parang yun yung na-realize ko na, ay, oo nga, ang galing ng mga kapatid ko kasi alam na nila yan. So, parang, yun na yung na-develop sa akin na isupport talaga sila. Pero yung sinasabi ko
mm.
sa'yo na toxic na yung bawal mga tuwiran toxic trait ko na feeling ko na nagkaroon ako nung medyo mas bata pa kami. Mas bata pa
I think
kami.
kasi
Nung magkakasama pa
nag-learn pa
kami sa
lang tayo nun
bahay.
eh.
Oo, nung
Oo.
magkakasama pa kami sa bahay, yung I always use my ate card. Kahit kapag nakasama ko sila, like, grabe ko silang utusan, dapat ako yung masusunod. Ganon. Pero sa work, uso din yan. Oh my God, meron akong hindi ko na in-name at hindi ko na in-name yung company at hindi ko rin in-name yung victim na ganyan. Pero that person na binibiktima nitong bawal mga tuwiran toxic trait, na, he rides on it. Parang kasi he's sure na he'll benefit from it. Gets mo? Kasi may toxic trait yung amo niya na masyadong, yung bawal nga mga tuwiran na masyadong palautos, itong si Guy, ginagamit niya yon to his own advantage. Kasi alam niya, in the future, magagamit niya yung parang sip-sip. Get? Hindi
Mm.
siya nangangatwiran. Kasi, nag-agree lang siya, yes lang siya ng yes kung anong ipagawa, kahit labag sa loob niya, kasi alam niyang later on, may makukuha siyang kapalit. So, nilalaro niya. Gets mo? What do you think of that? Kasi yung feeling ko
I
yung
hate
bawal
that.
mga... You hate that?
Oh, well, first
Iba-iba
of
yung tao.
all,
Iba-iba yung tao. Oo.
I don't want that. I don't want that. Ayoko siyang co-work. Yun
Oo.
lang. Ayoko siya.
Okay, okay.
Okay, from afar, sige, okay, I commend you, yeah. But ayoko siyang co-work kasi
Oh.
medyo expressive kasi ako pag ayoko ng
Mm.
opinion ng boss. Like, I don't like that. That's so stupid. Decision from the boss. Wait, let's not do that. Tapos ako talaga, pag I realized na hindi siya like the best way to do things
Oh.
and hindi ako makakareklamo. Hindi ko na lang gagawin ko yung gusto ko.
Ay,
As in,
grabe. At
rebel
least.
talaga ako pagdating sa work. Like, I want to do it on my own. Pag hindi ko talaga
Mm-mm.
alam and your suggestion makes sense as a boss, I will listen to you. Parang
Okay.
ganun. So, pagka-work ko siya, oh my gosh, ibabash ko siya.
Mahirap.
Like,
How do you draw
oy,
the
pero
line
wait,
though? How do you
what
draw
do you
the
mean?
line though of respecting your boss as your senior and speaking up kung dahil alam mong mas okay yung naiisip mo? How do you draw that line without
You
like
don't ridicule I think you don't ridicule
disrespecting?
your boss
Ah, yeah.
dun sa suggestions niya kasi suggestion pa rin niya. It's
Mm-mm.
not that your boss is stupid. It's not
Mm-mm.
the suggestion of the boss or kung namang instruction ng boss does not really represent his or her personality. It's
Mm.
just for the team. Parang ganun. Yun yung parang
Okay.
the mindset that I apply. So if ever suggestion yun ng team or suggestion yun ng boss, I try to think of better solutions if there are. And if there
Mm.
is, uh, I try my best to speak it out. And
Okay.
if consider ng team, okay, di push natin. If hindi naman, edi wag. Sundin na lang natin siya.
Yeah.
Basta siya yung
Ah.
accountable. Pero like, yun yung draw the line. You don't really put na, ay, tanga-tanga naman ng boss ko. Wala
Oo.
naman siyang ano. Pero like, meron talagang boss na masama ugali or like, ang
Mm.
slow talaga.
Pero ang
Ewan
hirap
ko,
nung,
yun.
yung bawal mga tweetan kasi parang bawal na i-voice out yung opinions mo, bawal ka
Yun nga eh.
bawal kang mag-speak up. yung isang letter natin, tama, pero nag-speak up siya. Yung isang letter, tama.
Yun sa HR.
So, feeling ko ganun yung bawal mga tuwiran na kung ano na lang yung sinabi, yun na lang yung gagawin mo.
O either, kasi alam
Tama.
mo,
Sa work?
meron niyang two manifestations. Like,
Oh.
he's either very, very aggressive nung boss
Mm.
na i-impose yung authority niya na bawal ka mga twiran sa akin kasi ako yung boss mo. Or
Mm.
it works the other way around, yung manifestation na wala namang ini-impose yung boss na
Mm.
authority. Pero yung mga tao niya, so used to sucking up na kung
Okay.
anong sabihin ng boss, kahit mag-invite siya ng mga ideas, parang hindi, boss ka pa rin, ikaw susundin namin, hayaan ka na
Oo.
mag-decide. But that is not healthy as well. I know a lot of people, lalo na yung mga mas matatanda, na parang
Mm.
ini-encourage ako, minsan kinakausap ko personally na susundin mo yung sinasabi niya kasi siya pa rin yung boss natin. Parang,
Or
hindi,
ito,
no.
or ito, yung they've been there for so long. So, yun na yung nag-work. Yun na yung sistema. So, hindi
Pero,
mag-work yung sinasabi mo. Kasi ganito nila ginawa noon.
pero
Toxic
it
siya.
doesn't mean that it will work forever, di ba?
Correct.
It just so happened that it worked that time.
Yeah. So, paano
Mm.
mawawala yung itong culture na to? Itong bawal mga tweetan culture? What do you think? If we let
Siguro
our
you just have to
employees
speak
speak
up.
up, yeah.
Speak up lang
And
talaga. As in
respect yung
plainly
opinion
speak up.
din. Yeah. Yeah, speak up.
Respect your opinion.
Yeah.
Parang when you're in a meeting or when you're in that room with your boss, give respect,
Yeah.
and respect will be given back to you.
Yeah. Siguro for bosses, for managers, for leaders, acknowledging then na just because you're older or just because you've stayed in the company longer doesn't mean na ikaw na yung pinakamagaling.
Right.
Yeah, acknowledging that one. Para yung mga tao at yung mga employees at ease din silang mag-speak up. Ang hirap din naman mag-speak
Right.
up sa isang environment na hindi welcome ang ang sarili mong opinion.
Mm.
'Di ba? So,
Yep.
that's the second. So far, wala kaming favorite. Pero baka yung third, favorite namin to.
Ayun. Favorite kasi yung
Favorite
third,
namin
that's
to.
me.
Okay, our most favorite toxic Filipino trait. And the winner is
Filipino tayo.
Filipino time. So ito, suspect tayong lahat.
Oh, guilty ka ba Filipino
Oh,
time?
ay, noon. Because
Ngayon.
hindi masyado. Like, no. Alam mo, nagpi-Filipino time lang ako dahil ni Matt. Or hindi rin. Or dahil,
Oh, Matt, sinisisi ka pala
hindi
eh.
naman. Hindi naman. Yung Filipino time ko kasi parang, hindi. Parang maaga pa rin ako ngayon. And this started nung 2011, nung naging online teacher ako for Japanese.
Ah,
Kasi sa Japan, 30 minutes early sila. Yung on time nila, it's late. So, kunyari, yung
right,
class,
right. Mm.
right? So, kunyari, yung class namin is 7 p.m. Dapat 6:30 naka-prepare na ako. Kaya, nadala ko siya ngayon sa work. So, kunyari, may meeting ako, like, 30 minutes kailangan ko nagpe-prepare para ready na ako. Magjo-join ako, like, 5 minutes before or 3 minutes before. Ganon. Yung influence sa akin nung work na yon. So, nabago
Mm.
ko siya. Pero, yes, syempre ginawa ko siya. Pero, hanggang ngayon, ginagawa ko rin siya. Kasi, kunyari, may Christmas parties, right? Kunyari, may event. Dahil, in your mind, alam mo na late lahat. So, hindi ka late. Though, minsan ang aga ko pa rin, kunyari sinabi nung nag-invite na 6 p.m. Though, in your mind, alam mo na for sure hindi yan mag-start ng 6 p.m. Nilagay lang niya yan dyan kasi alam niyang Filipino time. Alam niyang 7 p.m. pupunta yung mga tao. So, parang in advance na in an hour yung invitation para 7 p.m. mag-start. In reality, 7
That's,
talaga magsa-start. Pero ako, pupunta
that's
pa rin
nice.
ako 6 p.m. I'm usually like always the earliest. Promise. Alam yan ang mga nag invite. And pag
That's
hindi,
nice.
pag hindi kami maaga, may nangyari. May work, may delay dahil kay Luna, nakatulog siya, ganon. May reason.
Mm.
Pero I always like try my best na una ko palagi. Sa mga event, sa mga kainan.
Merong benefit lang.
Merong benefit. Pag sa work, on time, that's conservative na for me. Yung on time ako. Kunyari, 7 or 4 p.m. yung meeting, dapat at least 3:58 nagjo-join na ako. Ganun ako. How about you?
Pag work, let's not talk about it.
Grabe talaga?
No, I mean, pag work, ideally dapat pumapasok ko na maaga. Pero nga kasi flexible yung time ko ngayon.
Ah,
No gets, para minsan late ako nag-work kasi pwede ko naman siyang i-offset ng gabi. So parang medyo nagulo yung wiring ko. Pero dati, I start work dapat around 7:30, kung 8
ah,
AM yung ano ko, dapat nung first jobs ko, dapat maaga ako.
oh.
Kasi mas effective ako pag ang isip ko, mas effective ako pag walang tao. Wala pang tao sa paligid ko.
Ah,
Like, nagdadatingan pala sa settle, nag-work na ako. Once na dumami yung tao, nagde-decline yung job, yung ano ko, yung productivity ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. As in, yung
introvert
wiring ko,
ka.
dapat wala akong, introvert ako.
I think okay lang Fonzie yan sa work. Siguro yung definition ng Filipino time, it's adding 1 to 2 hours from the agreed time. So, nalilate tayo for events and meetups. So,
Okay,
meetups pala
meetups.
siya and events ang Filipino
Okay,
time.
so,
So,
okay, so not work.
in the workplace, kunyari, tardiness yata yung tawag sa atin. Kapag late tayo sa work. Pero yung
Yeah, okay,
Filipino
that's
time,
not Filipino time.
so pero kasi sa work, may mga events pa rin, 'di ba? May mga
Okay,
meetup
so,
pa rin.
okay, pag events for me, I
On time
usually
ka?
go 30 minutes before.
Ay,
Pag ako yung
why?
nag-ano, ha?
Why?
Kasi
Why?
I need to settle down.
Correct. Okay.
Nag-harness kasi ako ng, alam mo, so ayoko kasi ng meetups talaga. Ayoko ng meetups, ayoko ng meetings. So before I go to any meetups or meetings, I harness energy so that pagdating ko doon, prepared na ako, like in me, na kaya ko na magbigay ng the same energy that they have.
Kaya
Tapos
pala ang
naubos yun,
taas
syempre
lagi ng
nagiging,
energy mo pag nagkikita
kasi
tayo, 'di
nagkano
ba?
ako,
Ah,
nag-iipon
ika
talaga ako ng
gasolina ka.
energy. Kasi, oo, parang, mamaya pagod na ako, di ba minsan napapansin mo, napapatulala na lang ako. So yung pa-deplete na yun.
Okay,
Yung lahat
okay.
ng naipon ko pa-deplete na yun. Pero like yun yung pag meetings or events na
Mm-mm.
hindi ako yung nag-organize.
Hmm.
Pag ako yung nag-organize ng meeting, pag events, 2 hours before, dapat nandun ako sa event.
Okay. So,
Three
you
hours
don't
before.
practice
Kasi
Filipino
organizer
time.
ako. Ha?
So, hindi ka, so ikaw, punctual ka na din. Ako kasi
May
I can
meetups
consider,
ako hindi punctual eh.
okay, meetups
Doon ako,
ng hindi professional
friends.
setting. Oh,
Hindi
sa friends.
professional.
Bakit? Why? Bakit may difference ka pa? Kasi ako for me, sa friends, ako lagi din isa sa mga una. Like, gusto ko
Talaga?
oo, as in, very conscious ako sa time. Dahil nga, nung influence sa akin nung Japanese, like, school na
Mm.
workan ko ng matagal. So, nadala ko talaga siya. Kahit alam kong late yung iba, lagi pa rin akong feeling ko, may magandang impression kasi kapag lagi kang maaga. Feeling ko,
That's true naman, oo.
yun yung ano ko. So, hindi ko na siya pinipili. Work man yan related, professional setting man, or with my friends.
That's so nice. I would
What do
want to
you
learn from
think?
you.
What do you think? Sa ikaw, why do you like differentiate pa yung professional mo and yung sa social mo with friends? Or dahil naiintindihan ka na nila? Or do you have this
No,
like image na late ka ba?
no. Feeling ko it's more of comfort and familiarity.
Oh,
Kasi pag work, 'di ba, parang hindi mo alam yung risk. Ay, sorry. Parang calculated dapat yung risks mo.
ah,
Eh hindi ka
totoo.
parang on the edge ka kasi ang daming at risks nga dun
Oo.
sa work na pag nag-fail yung event dahil mo. So parang doon ako nag-work
Hmm.
sa managing those risks. Pag friends kasi, it's more light. Hindi
Alay,
naman sa
relax lang.
naman sa
Walang
hindi ganyan. Parang
personalan.
chill lang tayo. Oo,
Oo.
chill. Unless talaga meron tayong hinahabol na time like movie or cinema or
Okay.
something. Movie, cinema, same lang naman sila. Movie, theater, something like that. Yun, kailangan maaga. Minsan nga nililate pa rin. Pero like, gets, parang familiar, yung Oo nga, no? Pag once you reach that level of familiarity with the person, parang
Oo.
nagiging lax ka, which is parang hindi dapat din, no?
Pero
Wow,
meron
iba ng topic
ako,
to!
pero
Familiarity
alam
of
mo
a
ba,
person. Oh.
as an early bird, ay ako
Mm.
talaga mako-consider ko yung sarili ko na early bird. Minsan ako pa
Okay.
yung mag-offer na, okay, we'll pick you up na. Parang ganon. Para hindi ka
Okay, okay, okay.
late or para hindi ka ma-hassle sa pagpunta kung saan. Ako yung nag-initiate lagi ng ganon. As an extrovert. Ganun talaga ako.
Gusto
Pero,
mo lang yung
meron
usap eh.
gusto ko na agad yung matsikahan eh.
Oh, wait lang. Okay, that will make sense din kasi
Na-energize
medyo
ako eh
minsan
kapag,
gusto ko,
go.
ako minsan gusto ko i-delay kasi parang shucks, di pa ako ready.
Ah! Yung
Alam mo, parang,
personality!
oh my God.
Yung personality,
Oo.
ako gusto ko, nakikita ko lahat yung dumadating. Tapos, gusto ko binivideo sila. Yung mga as a content
That's so you.
creator. Oo!
Branding mo yun.
Oo, parang gusto ko binivideo ko sila pag dumadating yung basta ganun. So, feeling ko ganun yung trait ko, 'di ba? Pero meron ako mga friends na yung image ko sa kanila late sila lagi. Gets? Oo,
Okay.
na kasi totoo
Oo.
naman, late naman sila lagi. So, hindi ko na wala na akong expectation sa kanila. So, kunyari may meet up, ay late naman yan. Parang, hindi na natin para hintayin or ganun.
Gets.
Sad.
Gets.
Ayoko maging ganun. Ayoko na ganun sila sa akin. Kahit friends kami. As friends, may ganun pa rin. May ganun ka pa rin. Naiintindihan mo yung friend mo na ganun siya. Pero,
Mm. Ina-accept mo na lang yung
ina-accept
flaws
mo
niya.
na
No?
lang yung flaws ng friend. Pero 'di ba nga,
Pero,
kasi Filipino time kasi, disrespectful siya nga sa time ng iba. What do you think? Ano naman
it
yung,
is, it is.
it is 'di ba?
Yung sinabi, oo, yung mga boss ko from
Mm,
Australia,
mm.
very respectful sila sa
Sa
time.
time,
O, ang
oo.
ano naman sila, para sa mga hindi, parang gantong kanila. So pag nag-schedule ka ng meeting ng 4 to 5,
Mm.
5 matatapos na, pero 4 kailangan mo magsimula.
Ganun
Kahit
kami.
anong mangyari, 4 magsimula. Pero
Ganun
5
kami.
dapat matapos na.
Correct.
Hindi ka na
Tapos
pwede mag-skip.
like, kunyari, 5, di ba? So, 4:50, parang magiging conscious na sila sa time. Na parang, ay,
Right, oo.
malapit na tayong matapos. Or, ganun nga. Yan yung wala sa atin, I think. So,
Wala tayong sense of like the importance of
of
time.
time,
Parang mas lax ba tayo
As
as a
Filipinos,
culture?
late tayo palagi. Tapos, okay lang sa atin na mag-overtime without considering yung mga responsibilities ng iba. And yung mga, 'di ba, yung time ng iba na baka nakaalat na sa ibang bagay. Ganun
Oo nga,
tayo.
no?
At
Bakit nga
work
hindi pa
din,
natin
Konsi.
natututunan yun?
So yes,
Ha?
may Filipino time at work. Meron talaga, especially sa mga Pinoy. Sa mga Pinoy
Mga
talaga to.
meetings, no?
Sa mga meetings.
Oh,
Correct.
right.
Meron nga talaga. Yeah. Ang interesting ng Filipino time, in fairness. Hindi lang pala siya talaga sa events or sa mga meetups at work kapag Pinoy, may ganito talagang
Meeting.
mentality. Oo.
Mas
Na okay lang.
pa-importante, yung lalo na yung mga tao. Okay, so I was looking for the reason
Oo.
bakit may Filipino time.
Hmm.
Um, ang sinabi niya is during the Spanish colonial era daw, there's this mentality na parang if ikaw yung pinakauli, ikaw yung pinaka-importante.
Important. Yeah.
So baka
VIP.
na-adopt natin yon ang VIP. So parang
Oo.
if na I think na-adopt natin yon subconsciously lahat as a
Oo.
culture na
Tapos lahat
dapat
tayo
huli
pa
tayo.
importante.
Kaya lahat tayo pa importante. I mean, sorry to burst your bubbles, guys. Lahat tayo pa importante. Ganyan, if
Oo.
late tayo. Pero di ba, parang it talks so much about what we really value as people, as a culture.
Oo.
If we really value ourselves or other people. Kasi parang if you have higher regards and high respect of other people, ano ka nga, very welcoming nga sa mga tourists, ganyan.
Mm-mm.
Sorry, binash ko na talaga buong Pilipinas, no? Well, very welcoming nga sa tourists, that's a good thing. Pero like, you disrespect their time naman. Grabe,
Oo.
bigla ko naalala, ang daming ganyan. Alam mo ba, fun fact,
Disappointing. Oh my God.
medyo napapahiya tayo sa mga foreign consultants kasi
Bakit?
ng time ng
Talaga?
mga politicians at ng mga government officials, ganyan. Kasi gets, di ba, parang
So, yung mga government
mag-arrive sila an hour
officials?
late. Ha?
Ew,
Mm.
yung mga,
Tapos
ganon.
parang ang bad ng image sa foreigners ng
Ganon sila, yung mga
parang
foreign officials. Ay, sorry, government
politicians,
of
government of the
politician. My God.
Mag-arrive sila, ito yung isa, project manager ng isang project. Hindi ko na
Hmm.
sasabihin ko anong project kasi
Huwag
I've
mo
been through a lot of
sabihin.
projects now with the
Hmm.
government. So there's this project manager, natapos, so we had a meeting ng mga around 2 p.m.
Hmm.
with them. Katatapos, mag-spill over daw yung previous meeting niya.
Mm-mm.
So, okay, okay. Baka importante yung meeting mo, ganyan. So, naghihintay lang kami and we were with our foreign consultants. Ang daming foreigners doon. Spanish, British,
Oh my
Australian, mga
God.
ganyan. Tapos, parang Japanese, parang mga ganyan. Basta, tapos, after the meeting, like 30 minutes or like 45 minutes after, sinabi ba niya na parang, oh, we'll start in 30 minutes kasi maglo-lunch muna daw siya.
Oh my
Okay, gets. Okay,
God.
you have to take your lunch, but you still
Nag-apologize
schedule the
ba
meeting with
siya?
us. I don't know if nag-sorry nga siya eh. Nagsabi lang siya
Oh,
sa amin.
sad.
So, ganun ka-importante. Parang, we're operating on a contractual basis with you. Why are you operating like you own us? Ganun.
Mm.
So, ewan ko.
Ang hirap din, no? Parang, meron ka kasing friends na talagang mabagal lang or talagang late lang lagi. Feeling ko yung
Very,
Filipino time, mas deep pa din talaga yung reason niya eh, no? Na parang,
mm,
historically, yes, nagpapa-importante yung mga tao. Kaya, they choose to be late. So, it really depends.
mm.
Pero
It depends on the situation. Yep.
ang galing lang how these toxic traits na pinag-usapan natin, tong crab mentality, bawal mga tuwiran, Filipino time, they're all related and could be effects of the colonization na nangyari sa atin. Na kaya tayo
Oh my
ganito.
God, we need to invite an expert from history to talk about all these things. Ang saya,
Diba?
no? Whenever we get to talk about this in the future. Oo nga, no?
Tama.
Actually, madami yung poverty. Yung poverty mindset, it's all
Oo.
colonialism.
Oh.
Ano pa ba? Yung manana habit.
Kanya
I
na habit.
think.
Bahala na si Batman.
Oh,
Yes.
kasi parang wala din naman
Procrastination.
choice yung ibang Filipino, di ba, dati nung nasa colonial kasi mamamatay din naman sila or i-colonize lang din naman
Oo.
sila,
Ay,
ganun. Abuse lang
grabe.
din naman sila.
At saka yung
Baka, I don't
Mañana,
know,
Spanish yun, di ba?
right, Spanish yung
Diba?
Mañana. So that was
Anyway,
grabe. We are
that was,
still healing from the
oh
wounds
my
of colonialism.
God. Ay, hindi ko na-expect na mag-end up tayo sa ganitong conclusion na we're still healing. We're just
We're
hurt people.
we're just hurt people who hurt other people. And I hope that we could get together as a
Yes.
culture, as a
Yes.
community to heal together rather
Yeah.
than pull each other from our own progress. I think it's
Tama.
time that we heal together, move forward together.
Correct.
Except the victims of martial law. That's
And victims of
and that's
extrajudicial
drug war.
killings.
Right, right. That doesn't that
Yeah.
hindi forgiving yun. Hindi, hindi talaga. Walang forgiveness
Never
doon. Joke lang.
forget. Never forget.
Never forget.
Anyway, that
Never
was a
forget.
really, really, really fun and insightful
Interesting.
episode.
It's interesting. We're
Interesting.
nerding out. I
We're
love
learning.
it.
I love this episode. And hopefully, you also loved listening to this episode. And if you do, make sure to follow us on all our social media platforms.
Yep.
Yeah. At isalak sa
Kwento mo sa
mana
mga
on.
podcast.
Yeah. At isalak sa
Hindi
mana
tayo
on
nag-
IG at Ponzi Andalion. Oh, go Ponzi.
And follow us at our Kwento Mas Bagong social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to listen to our podcast on YouTube
Yeah,
as
on
well. Or
YouTube
if
and
Spotify, if sa YouTube ka nakikinig ngayon. So
Spotify,
anyway,
TikTok. Yes. Thank you so much. See you on the next
thank you.
episode.
Bye,
Bye.
guys.